magandang afternoon, magandang gabi pala. Ayun, still shooting. For today's video po, sandali lang Mami Pigsa. Walang basahan si Miss Basahan today. Ayun. Kakanta na lang ako guys. Ayun. Wala akong basahan sa ngayon kasi hindi pa po kami nakapamili. Mga mamis, mga meses. Ayun. Wala akong basahan for today. Siguro po next week mamimili na po ako ng basahan natin. Para po meron po tayong mai-upload ulit. Ayun. Kasi hindi ako nakapagbasahan. So, linis lang po muna ng bahay si Miss Basahan. Grabe yung pagod. Promise, ang dami ko pong ginawa kanina. Hindi na lang ako nakapag-video kasi, ayun, busy-busy ang peg ng lola at ng meses, di ba? Tapos isa pa, busy din yung partner ko. Ayun. Kasi may problema pa siya, family matters. Ayun. Hindi natin pwedeng panghimasukan. Ayun, ang ginawa ko lang ngayong araw na to, ano ba? Naglinis, tapos nagluto lang ako ng fried chicken kanina. Yun lang yung ulam namin, guys. Siguro po next week meron natin basahan, guys, ha? Sige, sige. Yun. Tapos wala tayong gagawin. And kanta lang siguro muna tayo na. Kakanta muna tayo sa Star Maker. Ayan. Kasi nga, wala tayong wala tayong gawa. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mag-video muna tayo ng gano'n. Diba? Ano muna tayo sa kanta-kanta muna tayo, tay. Kahit alas 10 na. Alas 10 pa lang. Ibang gusto niyong kanta, day? Kanta na kanta, guys. Burning in your soul. Kantahin natin yung ano ba magandang kanta? Kanta nga tayo, guys. Ano bang gusto niyong kanta? Solitaire's the only games in town. And all the love and taking things in town. Eto. Kantahin natin, ha? Wait lang. Balik tayo na. Ayan. Kanta po tayo. May tunog ba? Parang walang tunog. Wait. Meron. Ilang mo na ngayon si Mas Basahan. Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How did I ever find you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the crime that I survived. And baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Oh, di ba? Kanta-kanta lang natin. Can I hold you? And girl, you smile, light up the sky. You are too beautiful for the human eye. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. And baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that sun is shining in the sky, and you were the sparkle in my eyes. Oh, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I need you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. Na, na, na. I love you. Save natin. Diba?
Ayan. Ganda po tayo. May tunog ba? Parang walang tunog. Ay, meron. Ilang mo na ngayon si Basbasahan. Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are. How did I?
Ilang mo na ngayon sa'yo. Maybe next week guys, meron na tayo.
You were the dream that saved my life. You were the one that I survived.
Ano na natin, i-post na natin siya. Hello, what are you supposed to do with me? Oh yeah. Invite my followers. Yes, post. I-post natin yarn. O diba, pinost ko na. Yun guys, yun lang ko sa ngayon. See you again later po. See you again tomorrow. See you again on my next video po ulit. Bye! Yun na, kikis. Bye!